Okay, welcome back. Now, when we are using R to do t-test, we actually kind of usually face with a very unique problem or a common problem. Let's say I want to do a t-test testing the glycosylated hemoglobin. Does it vary with the body frame? Okay, so my data is diabetes. Okay. Now, what happens is for body frame itself, there is three types of body frame: small, medium, and large. As you can see here. Let me just try here. See, there's small body frame, medium body frame, and large body frame. So if I were to run this, what is actually my null hypothesis? It means that the body frame, the average glycosylated hemoglobin for small body frame equals to the average glycosylated hemoglobin for medium body frame equals to the average glycosylated hemoglobin for large body frame. Now, t-test only can accept two of them. So if I were to run this code, does it actually measures small versus medium, small versus large, medium versus large? Okay, we do not know. Let's run it. It basically refuses to run. Okay, because the grouping variable, it simply tells you that frame must have exactly two levels, cannot have three, cannot have one. So now we actually get into a problem. How are we going to pull out the data? For example, if I want to test the null hypothesis of the average glycosylated hemoglobin of small body frame equals to the average glycosylated hemoglobin of medium body frame. Yeah, you understand what I mean here? Okay. How do I just extract small and medium? Okay. In order to do this, we have to learn another operation in R called subsetting. So we subset. So we generate another data frame for small, medium. We use a subset command. Okay. So subset, what do we subset? We subset the original data frame, which is diabetes. And what do we subset with? Frame equals, W equals to small. This bar, which is usually above your enter button, this bar means all. Frame equals to medium. Okay, so once I do this, I have another data frame, which consists of only 294 observations because the large body frame is removed. So if I open it up, okay, and I go to body frame, okay, see, I've only medium body frame, only medium, and then all the way below, it's a small, there's no more large, large disappears. Okay. Then what I can do is, in order to test this null hypothesis, I can go back and use my regular t-test, just that my data frame, my data has to change to my new data frame. So it will actually measure average glycosylated for small equals to average glycosylated for medium. Okay, so and we know that it's correct because the mean of group small, the average glycosylated hemoglobin is 5.66. Mean for group medium is 5.66. Mean for group small is 5.00 something. Okay, and it is statistically significant. So we reject the null hypothesis. Okay, in this video, what I'm trying to explain to you is using this thing called subset to extract part of a data set or part of a data frame into a new data frame so they can use it. Okay, so that's all for today. Have fun.